Hello everybody, we're going to do a Read Write Ink lesson today. Remember, you need a piece of paper and a pencil for each lesson. Remember to pause the video when we're doing our spellings and when we're writing and hold a sentence. Okay, here we go. The special friend we're learning today is R. R. R, R, R. R. Start the car. R. Start the car. Our green words today. Remember, I'll Fred talk the word. When I move it forward, you read the word. Ready? R. Good. Hard. R. Art. Well done. Now we're going to do our nonsense word. Z-arp. What a lot of nonsense. We did a fab job. Well done, everybody. I'm going to put one of our words for the R sound in amongst our previous special friend words. Ready? I say this, ask you the special friend, you say the special friend, then I will ask you to Fred talk the word and read the word. Special friend, Fred talk the word, read the word. Special friend, Fred talk the word, read the word. Special friend, Fred talk the word, read the word. Brilliant, everybody. Special friend, Fred talk the word, read the word. Last one. Special friend, Fred talk the word, read the word. Well done. Let's give ourselves a 1, 2, 3. Well done, me. We've got 3 new red words today to learn. Okay. 2. 2. 2. They. And the last one, your. Well done, everybody. Right, time for our spellings. Are you ready? Remember, you will need to pause the video at this point once I've read the word. The word you're going to write is hard. Show me those Fred fingers. How many sounds do we need? Let's pinch those fingers. Hard, hard. Write it down, underline your special friend. Hard, hard. Give yourself a tick for the H, tick for the R, tick for the D. Good. The next word is car. How many Fred fingers do I need? Let's pinch those fingers. K-R, car. Write it down, underline your special friend. K-R, car. Give yourself a tick for the K, tick for the R. Last one, we're doing a brilliant job today. The word is star, star. Let's show me those fingers. How many sounds do we need? Let's pinch those fingers. Ready? S-T-R, star. Write it down, underline your special friend. Here we go. S-T-R, star. Give yourself a tick for the S, tick for the T, tick for the R. Well done. We're going on to our hold a sentence now. Okay, remember, we need a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence, clear finger spaces and full stop at the end. Here we go. First sentence. The park is fun. The park is fun. Write it down. Okay, I've got my capital letter and my clear finger spaces. The park is fun. I've underlined my special friend and I've got my full stop at the end. If you've got that correct, give yourself a tick. If you haven't, just copy the sentence down. Next one. Number 2. Remember, capital letters, finger spaces, full stop. Make sure that you underline your special friends again. A star is big. A star is big. Write it down. Okay, I've got my capital letter. I've got my clear finger spaces. I've got my full stop. I've also underlined my special friend. A star is big. If you've got that correct, give yourself a tick. If you haven't, just copy out the sentence for me. Okay, that's the end of our Read Write Ink session for today. I hope you enjoyed it. But before we go, let's give ourselves a big thumbs up. Well done, everybody. Bye.